With the rapid development in the information technology sector, it is imperative that we keep ourselves updated. So, here we are to help you with that. Today, we will be discussing the top trending tech courses for 2022. So, if you're looking to start your career in top tech companies or want a career switch, here's a list of tech courses that you should watch out for in 2022. It is good to go for courses that offer certifications, as it offers a way for you to prove to potential employers that you have the skills you say you do. In the fifth place, we have the very popular Python programming course. Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in the IT industry. As of February 2021, Python was the most popular programming language based on how regularly its tutorials were searched on Google, with a 30.06% market share. The Python course will help you learn the basics of Python programming such as data structures, loops, and functions. You will understand the essential object-oriented programming concepts along with advanced topics such as file handling, modules and packages, Python graphical user interface, as well as important libraries like NumPy and Pandas. After completing this course, you can apply for Python developer, web developer, data analyst, and data scientist types of job roles. A Python developer could earn $109,000 to $180,000 in the United States and 4 lakh to 10 lakh rupees per annum in India. Some of the best companies you can look out for a career in Python are Spotify, Facebook, Flipkart, BigBasket, and Capgemini. Moving to the next top tech courses, we have project management. As per a global survey conducted by PwC, 97% of organizations believe that using the right project management methodology is crucial in ensuring business success. The demand for project management jobs is estimated to reach nearly 90 million by 2027. If you want to manage a successful project even with zero experience in that industry, then a PMP certification course is a must. It will help you achieve the project management knowledge and skills required to manage an entire project on your own. You will learn how to plan, manage, execute, and control projects. You will also gain experience in popular project management methodologies that help organizations deliver successful projects. With a proper certification, a project manager can make $75,000 to $144,000 per year in the United States and 12 lakh to 17 lakh rupees per year in India. Some of the top companies to grow your career as a project manager are Amazon, Oracle, United Health Group, Accenture, and Boston Consulting Group. Coming to the third course, we have data science. There is a huge abundance of data. However, there aren't enough skilled professionals to convert this data into useful information. Data scientist is one of the highly paid jobs in the world. Being a successful data scientist needs more than just knowing how to make sense of big sets of data. You also need to understand business issues and how to address them with analytical solutions. So if you're looking for a career in data science, then sign up for a course that covers all the in-demand data science skills such as programming, statistics, data visualization, exploratory data analysis, and machine learning. With these skills, you can impress interviewers by showing your exposure to the data science field and applying data science to real-life business cases. By choosing the right certification, a data scientist can earn up to $115,000 to $246,000 in the United States and 8.2 lakh to 20 lakh rupees in India. Gramener, Uber, Intel, Twitter, and PayPal are a few companies that you should consider for a career in data science. Second on the list, we have AI and machine learning courses. AI and machine learning are two of the biggest and most popular technologies of the 21st century. AI and machine learning have found their applications in healthcare, retail, entertainment, e-commerce, manufacturing, logistics, as well as the aerospace industry. AI and machine learning jobs are highly in demand and it is the skill of the century. By enrolling in this course, you will be trained in machine learning algorithms, deep learning, artificial neural networks, as well as natural language processing. After gaining all the crucial skills, you can now build smart systems and devices that can mimic human intelligence. An AI engineer can earn $140,000 to $386,000 in the United States and 6 lakh to 20 lakh rupees in India. Top companies hiring machine learning and AI engineers are Google, Adobe, Qualcomm, Sprinklr, and Fidelity Investments. Finally, at number 1 in the list of top trending tech courses for 2022, we have cloud computing. Between 2020 and 2021, cloud computing erupted as work went virtual and businesses adapted to the global pandemic. According to Statista.com, the worldwide public cloud computing market is expected to reach an estimated $482 billion in 2022. Cloud computing professionals not only improve how businesses store and access data, but are also transforming how businesses operate. A cloud computing course will walk you through the general cloud computing concepts and give a solid foundation of cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Once you become a certified cloud expert, you can help companies store data efficiently with easy access and a higher level of security. You can also assist companies to recover data swiftly. A cloud computing engineer can earn up to $145,000 to $227,000 in the United States and earn close to 16 lakh to 24 lakh rupees in India with the right certification. Wipro, PwC, Oracle, NetApp, and ABB are some of the best companies that are hiring for cloud computing. So that was our list of trending tech courses for 2022. On that note, we would like to tell you that Simplilearn offers courses and certifications for all the technologies mentioned above, and the links to it will be added in the description below. Do check it out. So do you agree with our list, or do you think we missed out on any? Then please let us know in the comment section below. We hope these courses will help you grow in your career in the field of your choice and interest. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more from Simply Code.